Hi. I'm back with another unboxing, or rather try on haul. Just got my order from SHEIN. Before anyone asks, the order was around 3,000 rands and customs was, I think, around 700 rands. So I don't know if that is 40% of 3,000. I'm not even gonna find out. For me, I just feel like it was a bargain because the things I got I couldn't get in South Africa. Like, what do you mean? Because a jean here is like 500 rands. So I'm glad I got my package. I'm gonna do a try on haul, but I feel like we should start with first looking at what's there. And don't mind my little blanket. I was in bed and then they called me. Anyway, let's see. Can you still see? Yeah, you can. I haven't even opened it yet. So let's be shocked together. What's this? Why would I buy this? What the hell is this? I'm always so shocked when I get my things because I don't remember getting them. Okay. The material is not what it was supposed to give. And it's so huge. I got mediums because I gained weight. But this definitely needs to be taken in. Oh, Sana. It's so humongous. And the material is a scam. Let's see. Oh, this I remember getting. It's a skirt. The one I have has a slit, so I got one that doesn't have a slit. I'm glad I got mediums because this looks like it would fit me. And the nice thing about getting bigger clothes is that you can always make them smaller by tailoring them or bobby pinning them. I bobby pin my clothes. I will make them fit me. But this dress, the bust area is so huge. I'm gonna need like a C cup to fake having boobs. But yeah. Do I remember this? Okay, I remember getting this. So pretty. I want to wear this when we go out for dinner with my friends. I'm gonna vlog that as well. But you guys, it's so cute. I wanted to pair it with like a black bottleneck and black stockings, and then I'll do maybe my black heels, like boot heels. Oh, I don't care if I get cold. Beauty is pain. What's a little bit of winter? I should stop screaming. This is good quality, Sana. I got an oversized t-shirt so that you'll think I have a boyfriend and stuff. Okay, now I said it, so you're not gonna believe me. But it's gonna work with everything. Like, think shorts at the beach or jeans or yeah, that's all. I saw this dress at Fushimi. The dress was 500. I got it on SHEIN for 250 or something. And the quality is quality. It feels like it was knit by your grandmother. This is the dress. This is what I'm gonna actually wear, I think. I don't like that it's so open, but I think it's not even meant to be worn without a blouse. A black blouse, black stockings that I still need to buy, and then the black heels. I think this is a cute outfit. It looks preppy, it looks mature. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, this is the receipt. Doesn't have my address, ne? Yo, it doesn't. But this is the receipt. I got like so many things. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy with the price. I remember getting this. Let's open it together. I also got one of these so that I can layer with it. Guys, I bought mature things. Like, I want you to see me and be like, where did you get it? It must have been so expensive. Yo, I'm worried about this one. Yes, okay. This is my dime dress. The dress I'm supposed to wear to the dime. I got a medium for it. It's off the shoulder. I'm hoping my body carries me through. Else it's going to be what I got versus what I ordered. Yeah. I think this is the skirt that I got. It's so gorgeous. It's like corduroy. It is. Yes! Guys, ngisiso mdala manje. Ngisiso womoya wophansi. Ndinguyebo baba. I wear long things. You have to look like the woman you want to be and the woman you want to see yourself at. So I got the skirt. It has a slit. It's not very high. It goes all the way to my ankles, but I think I can pull it up. I'm so glad I have clothes that fit me. Can I just say that? Like, none of my clothes fit me. I live in leggings. I didn't have class today. That's why I'm dressed like this. But I live in leggings because that's the only thing that goes up my butt. This is gonna look so nice at the beach. The material is giving. So I got this little hemp. It's can you hear that? I don't know what they're doing, construction, but this, you sort of like pull it up and then pull it down, and then it just looks very nice. I saw the girl wearing it. I'm so happy. It's gonna work with the white shorts that I got because I know I got white shorts. And then you just tuck it in the front, and then you look like a beach girly, like you're in Milan. Okay, these are the things I got. Head ties, because you gotta tie your hair pretty. You're a girl. You're a girl. So this is the first one. And this is little thing. You see the things that are trending? I got myself some of these. It's not what I expected, but just to pin behind my hair. The clip on, and I got it in white as well. You see, my legs are killing me. I did cycle, ne? I let my anger out. I was there. Now, they gave me 10% off, but I don't know when it's until. So if you want it, let me know because I'm not gonna use it. This is another scarf that I got. It's so mature. It's giving. Do you want a mimosa? Oh honey, I do as well. Just get two. Guys, I'm dressing for the woman I wanna be. This is what I got formal pants. I got formal pants. They look like they're gonna go up my butt. I'm happy I got a medium. I'm not happy I wear size 38. I used to be a 28. Ooh, this, I can imagine myself in glasses. Dine indoda yam on a yacht. Ooh, we're in Monaco. I'm here. Ooh. Why did I buy another skirt? What's this thing? Wait. Ish. SHEIN. What's with SHEIN? This is a dress. This is a dress, guys. This is a dress. It's by her. Look, a dress, a dress. Look at how big the top is. Am I that big? I got a medium as well because Mina, I was having body dysmorphia at this point. I bought a SHEIN wig. I bought a SHEIN wig. Let's open it. Hey, the box looks like it's been through a lot. But it was on a ship, so I understand. I forgive you, SHEIN. I'm just gonna tear it because what do you mean? I must struggle. Ah, they don't give you things to put on the wig. It's just papers. Like, I don't care. How to join? What am I joining? A wig club. Oh, they give you free gifts. This is the wig. I'm opening it because I want to know what I bought. Let's see. Guys, it was 500. Do you forgive me? I'm gonna put it on before the month ends and we're gonna see how it looks. It's the size I wanted because I wanted it here. Like, I'm going into my honey I made you pasta era. Nara Smith from scratch. Okay. You get the vibe. You get the vibe. The hair is so soft. It's so real. Love it for myself. Love it. Ooh. Ish, I got a Kylie Jenner. My life is very stressful. I got myself a Kylie Jenner dress. I don't know why. It's a medium neck, and I don't have boobs, and it's ruched. I don't like ruching. I don't know what the front is, where the back is. I might wear this one to the dine. I don't know. It's a very long dress. Guys, I got everything in a medium because I was worried it wouldn't fit me, and I was just angry that I can't fit into any clothes, and now I want to fit into clothes. Guys, this is amazing. I got the skirt, and then it comes with the top, which is not gonna fit me because it's huge. Yo, guys. I got socks. I'm not gonna open socks. I got pantyhose. I don't have to buy pantyhose. I'm so smart. You see, this thing, if you put all these clothes in a trolley in South Africa, girl, you're paying 10,000. I got this top. Okay, there's nothing else to say. My floor looks like a mess, but it's fine. What's this? Oh, they're so ugly, son. I got pants that you can sort of tie on the corner, but they're so huge. Do I still want to put them on as the question? I am. Oh, scam. Oh, I thought it was gonna be wool and thick wool. Wool. That's a funny word. I thought it was gonna be wool. Wool. Like WOOL. And thick. It's not. Look. This is the short I was talking about, and it happens not to be white. It had to be white, but it also looks see-through, son. Yo, it's gonna go up. That's all. That's the ending. I end up broke. Okay. This is 17 minutes long, so we still have time. I don't know how we do the fitting. I'm gonna put on a swimming costume and we're gonna fit the clothes because I don't have the energy. Anyway, this is the end of the unboxing. We're not gonna do the try on haul, so stick around. Okay guys, Dimlo. See what I mean when I said no boobs? I put it on top of my leggings because there was no way I was taking them off. I'm tired. I just wanna fast edit this thing and post it. But this is how we're gonna fit the clothes. Okay, we're gonna start with the shorts. They go up. Hey guys, look at how big this bum is. Should have gotten a large, but yeah, it needs energy to. Let's try on the jacket. Yafegi. It was supposed to be a knit jersey. Yeah, ooh. It gotta be rukile katlale. Yeah. Okay. I should have read the reviews, but we live and learn. It smells bad. I'm gonna put everything on the floor now. I'll see it when I get the graph. Okay, these are the pants I feel like are ugly. They have no buttons, so do they go up? Do they go up? Ah, they fit me! Okay. Since there's no button, you have to tie it on the side. Guys, it looks bad. Maybe it's because I'm wearing a swimming costume. This is how they look. Oh, at least they're long. I thought it was gonna be and on my ankle. This is how they look. I don't like here, but we're going to the gym for that, guys. We must work at the gym. We must lose weight. I want my problem being tailoring and fixing the dresses. I don't want my problem to be fitting into the clothes. I like the pants now. Then this top, I don't know how I feel about the material. Oh, it looks good. Ooh. 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 This is the one with where the top doesn't make sense at all. At all, Nakani. What am I trying to do? When there are buttons. Guys, the skirt is so good looking. The top is giving me stress. My boobs are even hopping out. How do you even put it on now? Hey? Hey! Ooh-wee. I'm never buying on SHEIN again. This was my last time. I'm old now. Guys, I don't know how to put on this top. Like, it's not working out. But the skirt, that's how it's supposed to look. The skirt looks good. It has a racket, so it's gonna fit, I'm sure. I'm gonna wear it when I have an important interview. So when I walk in, they like, hire that girl. Now it's this dress that I don't know how it's supposed to look. I'm gonna put it on from the bottom because, no. Yo, it's so long. Habo, body is body. Kim Kardashian. Do you know? Why does it look like my swimsuit is visible? Hibo. That's why you must buy skins. Guys, that's in damn cake. Miss Independent. That's why I love her. It looks good. I love the dress. I love it. I just hate how it's see-through. Like, you can literally see my face through it. What am I trying to do? Okay. This one, I already know it's going to be nonsense. I don't have the boobs for it. Huh? It fits me. Guys, I need to lose weight. There's no way this dress fits me. This is how it looks. It's not as short. It is short. This is how it looks. It's giving prostitution. But I'm gonna wear it. One thing about me, I will wear it. And then, Hibo. Guys, I thought this thing was a sweater. It's not. It's like a dishwash cloth. It's just one layer, so you don't put it on. You just put it on your shoulders for vibes. That's what it's for, vibes. I'm gonna put the dukes to the side, and then let's do these pants. Oh, yeah. So far, nothing doesn't fit me. So I was right in choosing a medium because I chose it without even measuring myself. It's gonna fit. One thing about me, I will make sure. Okay, this looks good. I like the pants. The problem is me. I thought some of these clothes were going to be white and they're all cream. So I guess That's the story of my life now. Cream clothes. SHEIN hasn't refunded me yes for some of my things. I haven't forgotten. I need that 300 rand. This top is nice, I can already tell. I love it already. I love it. I love it. See, it was supposed to be like go up and then come down like this. I feel like I should have gotten an even bigger size, but I love the shape already. My corduroy skirt, the most favorite thing I bought here. It has a zip and reker. See, smart people. I want my favorite skirt. What are you doing? But oh, my favorite skirt. Guys, it's not fitting. Look at how high it is. It's not. Guys, let me take it off before I even start crying. This is the dress I'm worried about because I plan on wearing it. Let's put it on. Oop. Oh, Nancy's so long. Guys, this is my last time buying from SHEIN, I promise. This is how the dress looks. It has large arms, it goes all the way to the feet. I don't know, I like it. I'm just thinking now about the practicality of it. Like, like, are you not gonna see through? Sounds like Lita's problem. I don't have the energy. Oh, then there's this thing. We know this thing is gonna make sense. Now with this dress. I thought the buttons didn't work. I was so worried. I was like, do I put it on from the head or from the feet? This is the dress I want to wear on Thursday. Mind you, today's Tuesday. It fits! Wait. Where do you put the buttons now? Where's the hole for the buttons? I want to make sure I can actually wear this. Okay, that's how it's gonna look. So you don't button the top is for decoration. Okay, I can see it. Let's see how long it. Yeah. Oh, guys. Oh, it's not. Oh. But you obviously put it on with stockings, so I'm not worried. Let's see what's shirt. This is how you put on a hem. Yo. Put it on from the head. You don't unbutton everything. Should have gotten a large. Because now it looks like my hemp. Now for this dress, my plan B. Because as a girl, you must have options or else you end up crying. Oh, we're left with that one big dress. Let's see where it... Oh, I love it. The problem is oh, it fits, it just has to be tight. As a girl, your waist must be cinched. Okay, now that's out of the way. No, I forgot about the silk skirt because it fell. It fell on the floor. Let's try it. Ooh. It's a skirt, guys. It's fine. Like, it's big enough. I don't feel tightened by it. Now this dress with the fake material and the big boobs. Let's see. It actually fits me. When I thought I was gonna have to get it bigger, but ooh. This part is bad, but I'm gonna lose weight, I promise. Anyway, that's it. So thank you for watching. I'll get back to you. I have 2 vlogs already, a weekly vlog and one, I'm currently making one about a day in my life as a psychology student, and I'm planning on making one, not really, I just think I'm gonna make a reel for that one when my friends and I go to Fair Hill on Thursday for dinner. But yeah, that's it from me. Bye.